There may be occasions when you need to look up a purchase order that was not created by you, or possibly not searchable in EVA. In these situations, you can utilize the Reporting and Resource Center for historical EVA purchase order data. This video will walk you through 2 ways of searching for purchase orders in the Reporting and Resource Center. How can I find a purchase order that was not converted into new EVA? And how can I find a purchase order that was created by another user? Both of these can be accomplished with the Reporting and Resource Center, from inside EVA or publicly from the EVA website. From inside EVA, after signing into EVA and from the Reporting and Resource Center. After logging into EVA, click Go To and then Reporting and Resource Center. Once in the Reporting and Resource Center, scroll down and look for the 203 report. Left-click and in the pop-up window, click Open. The 203 report will open in a new tab. Under Query Selection, select Specific Order Number. A new dialog box will open below. In the dialog box, enter the order number. You can also search multiple orders, up to 5 at once, separating each one with a comma. Once you are ready, click Run Report. The specified order numbers will open a new tab. You can save or print the order or orders from this tab. From the EVA homepage, access through the Public Spend Reports. EVA homepage, click Transparency. From there, click Public Spend Reports. This will open up in a new tab. From the Public Reporting and Resource Center page, click on the 700 report, Purchase Order View. And in the pop-up window, click Open. The 700 report will open up in a new tab. From there, on the Query selection, select EVA Order Number. In the dialog box that pops up below, enter or paste your order number. Please note that the Public Purchase Order Report only allows you to search for one purchase order at a time. Once you are ready, click Run Report. The purchase order will open up in a new tab. From there, you can save or print the purchase order. If you still need help or have questions, contact us.